I'm Eric Comfort with Comfort Saver Foam Insulation. I want to take a moment and address some things for the builder side to help you guys out and what to look for, because we want a better product. My goal is to take and get involved in this and make a better end product for our customers and your customers. And one of the things we do, we address it with caulk and seal package. We see caulk and seal packages not being done on houses, and it's like leaving the door or window open in the house. It's dramatic. It completely nullifies the benefit of foam insulation when you leave a window open. Well, it'll be the same thing with leaving the caulk and seal package off. And would highly recommend you look at it. We'll have some photos kind of show you the differences, what we actually do. Here's some examples of proper caulk and seal package. Here's some examples of some things we found out there that are not proper. One of the things that builders should look for, especially in cooler times of the year, is looking for cold spots in the wall. And what that means is there's a void in the foam. When you have a cold spot, it leaves a void. And the best way to check for it is just to come up here and hit the wall. You can heal and feel the difference. Anytime there's a void, that means there's not enough foam there in that wall to make code. One of the things that I get asked occasionally by my builders is, how do we know we get the right amount of foam? Well, obviously on a 2x4 wall, it's real easy to see the depth of the foam, such as behind me here. But if you've got an area such as a roof line, it's kind of hard to see because everything's covered up. My guys actually are told and do carry a probe to measure the depth of foam. They check their foam while they're spraying. This is a very simple device, but it can be a piece of wire even that has measurements actually marked on it. But we actually probe our foam to make sure we got the proper depth of foam there. Something that's very critical in the overall application of foam, and especially in a new construction, is the foam contractor and the AC contractor have to be on the same page. It's crucial that we communicate, that we know what they're doing and they know what we're doing, so that things can be sized properly and that I can do the right things as far as how things set up. If they're 80% burn, I know what to do. If they're 90% burn, I know what to do. And the AC contractor knows that we're doing full envelope foam, so he knows how to set the thing up on his end as well. As long as we're both on the same page, therefore we can offer a better product for you and your customer. A few years ago, the building codes changed for the foam insulation industry. Homes with foam exposed in the attic or crawl space now have to have Appendix X certified foam. If in the event you choose not to do that, you have to put ignition barrier paint over it. We've chosen to go the route of the higher priced, better quality product that does not require ignition barrier paint. You need to know, because it makes a difference with your liability. Put the product in there that has the best rating in there. Something we've learned over the last few years, that not all inspections are the same. You've got cities doing their own inspection, you have third parties doing the inspection, and not all of them use the same codes. We found that we do them to the highest standard we can find out there, and we do them all the same to make sure that we're going to pass all of them. But it's a good idea, if anybody has any questions, have them contact us. If I don't know the answer, I will get them with the building science department and get them the answers they need.